In this clip, we're going to talk about how to prevent a cavity by using a tongue cleaner. Now, many people haven't heard of tongue cleaners before. So, you've brushed your teeth, you've used your good old-fashioned toothpaste in your toothbrush or your electric toothbrush, you've flossed your teeth. We'll get to mouthwash in a later clip. But even if you've still brushed your teeth, used dental floss, you still have bacteria on your tongue. So that's where the tongue cleaner comes into play. This is great, especially if you are out at night, you've brushed your teeth, but you've had wine. Things that are dark in color, your tongue turns red if you've been drinking red wine, if you have been drinking sugary foods or colas, or if you've, again, wine is really good, coffee. Tongue depressor, you'll be amazed at the gunk, the bacteria that comes off of your tongue. The neat thing about a tongue depressor too, basically what you do, it's shaped like your tongue and it has little grooves on it. So you just run it along your tongue, you scrape it. It's like a tongue scraper, basically. Not hard, mind you. Pull it forward and then rinse it off. But it's amazing, when you go to sleep at night, of course, you've brushed your teeth, but sometimes when you wake up in the morning and you have that morning breath, that bad breath, that's because there's still bacteria in your mouth. Not the good bacteria, the bad bacteria, and a lot of that is formed on your tongue, and that's where the tongue depressor can really, or the tongue scraper can come into play. Usually most of them too have little sharp edges at the bottom, so you can pick at your teeth if you need to or something, but this is key. Another great thing about this tongue scraper is you can throw it in the dishwasher every now and then and it cleans itself.